Okay, guys, we're gonna be using a script.
Yeah, this is the
See,
script.
this is script.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Sabi nila, ang Mohenjo-daro at Harappa ay mga super advanced na kabihasnan sa Indus Valley.
Sorry, guys, he's not that good at reading Filipino. It's okay.
Ang galing nila magplano ng lungsod kasi may drainage system, sophisticated baths, at grid layout ng streets. Grabe ba, di ba? Grabe. Wala pang ibang civilization na may ganun ka-organized. So, it means that this empire is super advanced, that there's not any other empire with technology like...
Yeah, drainage system, organized maps. Okay, the next one is leaders and majors.
Leaders and major events. Walang masyadong kilalang mga leader nila kasi hindi pa fully na-decode ang mga sulat nila. Okay. So, people don't really know who all the leaders are because they haven't decoded all the writings they did. Pero, may evidence na may maayos na sistema ang pamamahala ganun sa ka-advance.
Okay, for the contributions, wala pa silang centralized na empire, pero grabe ang mga ambag nila sa engineering. Drainage system nila, at trade, arts, at saka nag-influence sila talaga ng whole region. And the second empire we're gonna be talking about is Akkadian Empire. Yung background ng Akkadian Empire ay si Sargon of Akkad ang pinakamalupit na hari dito. Siya yung unang emperor na nagtatawag ng isang centralized na government. Ang galing niya kasi, he was the first to unite the Sumerians and Akkadians into one big empire. So, magaling si Sargon of Akkad kasi kinumban nila yung Sumerians at Akkadians. Next ay ang leaders and major events. Si Sargon, parang siyang superhero nung araw. Nag-conquer siya ng mga land, at saka gumawa siya ng first standing armies, and he made sure na maganda ang mga trade routes nila. Yung mga contributions naman nila ay malaking epekto ang Akkadian Empire sa literature. Kasi sila ang mag-umpisa ng epic storytelling of Gilgamesh. You heard of that? Yeah. Gilgamesh the Giant. Pati art ang ginawa rin nila na pinasikat sa civilization nila.
Nakatulong pagbuo ng modern system natin ngayon. Sobrang impactful ng mga ambang nila sa architecture, governance, at culture. Kaya sana natutunan kayo sa vlog na to. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.
Bye, guys!
Bye.
Credits to Bird. He wasn't able to join, but he made the script. Bye!